Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. So the first thing we need to do is to open the Apex Move application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the My icon to open the My page, and here on it you will see the list of my devices, basically the devices connected to your phone, and you will see your Tank T3 Ultra 2 if the watch is paired with your phone. Tap on it, scroll down, tap on Unpair, and the watch will disappear from the device page or device category. And we can close the app. You can just in case check the Bluetooth settings and see if the watch is right here on the list. It's not, so we can close the settings, but if it was, you can try tapping on the settings icon next to it and tapping on forget device. And once you forget it, it will disappear. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.